Hi guys, how are you? Hope so you are fine. You are watching our YouTube channel Tech Pro, and this is the complete playlist of Django tutorial for beginners. So in this video we will learn how to create dynamic navigation bar. So let's move on our topic. First of all, we will open VS Code where we have created our project. This is the folder that we created project and application in previous videos. So these are two pages where we added navigation bar code, but in both pages we have added navigation bar code. If we will create more pages like contact us, dashboard, or any other page, we will need navigation bar code in each page, but we cannot do it. We want that we have only one page where we add new attribute of navigation bar. It should be displayed in each page. First of all, we run this project by running command python manage.py run server. Press enter. It will be run. Now you can see that this project is in running position, and these are two pages that we was created in previous videos. First is home page and second is about us. First of all, we create this navigation bar in dynamic, and then we will create one or two more pages and add them in this navigation bar so that we can understand how the dynamic navigation bar is work. So we create here a file whose name is navbar.html. It is not compulsory to add a name navbar. You can give any name like header, like footer, like sidebar. Even you can give it your name. So we cut this code and paste it here in the HTML tags. This is the body, and we create a div. Here we will paste. So now it's looking nice. This was the about us page. Now we add this header section in the navbar page, so that we should not add navigation bar and this header section in each page again and again. Format this page. Now it is formatted. Save it. Also save it. Okay. Now we have no need to have this and this code because this is navigation code. One thing that we need to understand. We have created navigation bar, but how we can add this navigation bar in each page? We can add it in by using include tag, this and include URL and navbar dot html. Now we save it and run it. There is a problem. What is the problem? Include. There is a problem. It is saying unknown argument for include. Okay, we add here double quotation. But it is not working. So we copy it and paste it in the Google browser and we ask to Google. It will tell us what is the problem and what is the error. Or we also search that how we include. Okay, we didn't need any URL, so we remove URL and save it, and now we refresh it, it is added. So it is the home page, it is about us page, but why the navigation bar is not shown in about us page? Because we do not include in the about us, so we need to include navigation bar in about us page. Include about us, sorry, include navigation bar navbar dot html. Okay, now we reload this page. Yes, now you can see we have only one file where we will add more attributes of navigation bar, and we will click on any of navigation link or navigation attribute, it will be moved on that page. So there are two pages and one is navigation bar page where we have code of navigation bar. Now we add another page with the name of contact us, contact us dot html, and copy this page and paste it here and name it contact us. Okay, save it. Also we have this navigation bar, include this page. Okay, but we didn't need a function, sorry, we do not have a function that contact us page will be called in that function, so we need to have a URL for contact us. Contact us. Okay, and we need to create a function in views.py. Def contact us request. Okay, and return render. Sorry, here the parameter will be start. Here request and contact us dot html. Okay, but we need to add an attribute here. Contact us, and we also need to add URL. URL contact us. Okay, now we refresh it and reload page. Okay, this is contact us, but it is showing an error. Where is the error? Request dot html. Why we write here request dot html? Oh, so sad. We need to add file name of html. This is contactus.html. Now save it and reload it. Okay, this is contact us, this is about us, this is home page. Now we do another thing, and that is we remove it. Now okay, yes, this is home, this is about us, this is contact us. So guys, this was the today lecture. Hope so you will like our video. Please subscribe our channel and like on bell icon so that you can get notification for next videos. And friends, one thing more. If you have any question about this video or previous video, feel free to ask that question in comment section. Thank you.